This wig cap, we use the U-part wig cap to make the wig for the customers. So why I show you this U-part wig cap at the beginning in this video, because I would like to tell you guys that we can make the U-part wig for you. So this one, let me show you. This is we call it the water wave because it's very volume, it's very full density, so it looks very sticky together because we use more than 300 grams to make this wig. Please pay attention. I was just saying we use more than 300 grams, to make this wig. And mostly, if you buy the wigs from other vendors, they will not make more than 300 grams for the wig for you. If you want very high density, very full volume wigs, normally most of them, they will not make this volume for you. So this is the big difference. Another difference is another big difference is the quality of the hair. So let me shake the hair for you. You see? So after you spray the water on the wig, it will look a little bit more looser, but much more nicer. It's much more beautiful, this one, after you spray the water on the wig. So this is, we use the bundles and the frontal to make this one. So recently a lot of customers ask us to make the U-part wig for them. So now we have. So what we are going to do is just saw the hair, saw the bundle along this line, along the U-part, and then you cut this lace, you cut this, then you pull your hair out. So this is but this wig is not the U-part wig. This is the 13x4 lace frontal wig. But after my customers receive the wig, they will cut all this. They will just cut all these cloths, and the bigger frontal will just pop up. So we see this hairline. This is the natural hairline, and with the baby hair, this one. All along the hairline here. This. And some customers will have a little bit complain about the density throughout the wig. Maybe some they will say why the front side is more density, why the back side, the bottom side is less density. So actually it's not a very big issues. We just need to do is make sure it's solving on the cap averagely. It's solving on the cap averagely, and make the hair strong, no shedding, no tangle, and can last long time and can do color very well. This is the main issue, and we make it very well. But from the look of the wig, can you tell me how do you think of the density at the back side? It's very good. So if you have very specific requirements, make sure you write down the details before you order. Don't just assume that we know your specific requirements, because it will be like customized order and we don't know your specific requirements, but you just need to tell us before you order, so just to avoid any issues, disputes. So this one is very nice. And we are making more and more wigs for the customers, so you will see different style in the next videos. This one. Let me show this. Remember to spray some water on the wig. So I will see you in the next video.